Okay, here I am at the Sesame Grill trying a new sandwich. She also gave me a sample of the milkshakes they have. The one she gave me, I think she said it's caramel something, caramel cream, but they have strawberry, chocolate. They have all different varieties of original or regular kind of milkshakes. And I got today I got something different. She did give me, I keep telling her don't give me this, but I think the cooks forget, but yeah, I don't really use ketchup. So ketchup has way too much sugar, molasses, that kind of stuff. It's not really good for me with diabetes. But they do have a new sandwich. I'm trying that today. The sandwich is called the grilled chicken sandwich combo. I got it with the fries so I can show you the whole photos. I didn't get it with the tomatoes. It comes with tomatoes, but I got no tomatoes. I don't really like tomatoes. So let's take a look at what we got here. So ready? Okay, here it is. There is the sandwich. I'll move it away a little bit so you can see it. There's the sandwich. This is it, the sandwich right here. These are the fries, in case you didn't know. For those of you that are listening on the radio, just kidding. But this is the sandwich. It has the good lettuce, like the leaf, the kind of more leaf lettuce. It's not romaine. I can't remember what it's called, but it's a better lettuce, like a butter lettuce maybe. I can't remember. But the bun, it has a bun which is real soft. It's a brioche bun. I'm trying it with the sauce it comes with, which is called chick sauce. It might be a little high in carbs, so I don't really know that. Usually what I would get would be either like a full fat ranch or mustard, but they only had honey mustard. And I thought, well, you know what, I'll try it if it's not too spicy. If it's too spicy, I can always wipe it off. But here's a chicken breast. Let's take a look at that. It's a grilled chicken breast, and it is so tender it's falling apart. But there it is, a grilled chicken breast, and they do make it back there in the back with the lettuce. So that is good. So it's gonna be a little bit lower in carbs than if I was to get a fried chicken sandwich, which on a bun too and fries would be way too much for me. So I wouldn't be able to get that combo. Well, I could, like I said, I could get it, but not very often. I'd have to get it a lot less often than I could if I get the grilled chicken breast. Now, another thing you can do if you want to even cut back the carbs even more would be to not get this. You can get a sandwich a la carte. Maybe they should even have something else that you can get, maybe a little salad or something instead of in place of the fries. But I just got it as traditional as possible. So if you got that with, let's say, not this, and maybe a salad. So imagine it's not there. Maybe a little salad or maybe nothing. Also, another thing you can do would be to remove, the bun is really good, but you can remove one bun and eat it like this with a fork maybe, or a knife and fork, or even remove the bottom bun too and make it really, but that's just kind of boring. That's just gonna be just a chicken patty, which is good, but not the way it is intended to be served. So that's a lot of modifications. So modifications on this plate right here. Let's see, this gone, either not anything at all or substituted for something else like a salad or something. Another modification number two would be no bun top, take that away. Modification number 3 would be to have a different kind of sauce. Now barbecue sauce is high in sugar. Ketchup, of course, I showed that earlier. Ketchup is really bad with sugar. It's a lot of sugar. You might as well put chocolate sauce on there. Is that good? I don't know. But you could put a different kind of sauce on there. Ask for something a little low carb. Maybe they have an Italian dressing. I don't know if they do. But you can also do ranch, full fat ranch. Now let's look at what else we have here. So let's see, modification 1, 2, 3, and then get rid of the total bunny with a fork. 4, maybe about 5 different modifications you could do to this and make it even more low carb. Look at the iced tea they have here. It's fresh brewed. There it is, iced tea. And I do not use a straw for the iced tea because I try not to use plastic if I don't have to. And here it is. This is just regular iced tea, unsweetened. There's nothing in there but the tea leaves. How do they make it? Tea leaves, tea leaves, I guess, and water and ice cubes. Now she did give me a sample of this, and it is a milkshake. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, and here I am gonna try this. Now, no surprise here, delicious. The milkshake is really, really good. Turn it back around. Okay, now she did put a straw in there, so I can see, but she put a little cup like here. I'm sure the milkshake is a lot bigger than this, but this is a sample. And you can see how frothy that is, and it's really, really good. She said they also have like strawberry chocolate, vanilla probably, and this one here is the caramel something. Caramel and cream, really, really delicious. So once again, here, let's look at the whole thing together. We got crinkle cut French fries. A lot of people love crinkle cut French fries. That's one of the things that makes Del Taco so popular is the crinkle cut French fries. Some people that have a problem with sodium can get these without salt. Now, is this good for me? Is this as good as eating maybe like a baked potato? Probably not. But it's fried, and it's just a piece of potato fried, crinkle cut, and it's got a little bit of salt on it. Sandwich, once again, broche. I think they call it broche bun, a real soft bun. Chick sauce, which I don't know what that is. Some kind of chicken sauce. I think all the chicken places have it. I think they make their own here. Grilled chicken patty, lettuce, and then down below. Now you can get this with sliced tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes, so I ordered no tomato. So that is the option of you. And iced tea, not Coke, iced tea, delicious and refreshing. Sample of milkshake. Once again, I am at Sesame Grill. Sesame Grill is on Huntington Drive and Gateway on this side over here. And I don't know what's over there. I think 5th. But it's delicious, really, really good food, and I enjoy it. So here we are. I can't eat this every day. No. Can I have it every day? No. Could I do it? Yes. As long as I have money, I can have it. But no, it's not good for me to do it all the time. But we're right here. Across the street is Soup Plantation. They're gone. That was kind of a healthy option. That way, heading that way signifies east. There's a BJ's. They have some options for eating. That way over here, right next door is Starbucks, and it is a hot day, but Starbucks does smell pretty good. So I may go over to get a coffee afterwards. I'm not really sure. So here we are, Veggie Grill. Veggie Grill. Sorry, Veggie. I gotta think about Veggie Grill just now. Sesame Grill. Sesame Grill in Arcadia, California. For those of you who have not tried Veggie Grill, that is a vegan restaurant. I'm not a vegan, so not really my cup of tea. But they do have some good options. They used to have a good pudding, parfait pudding. They don't have coffee there, and everything there is gluten free at Veggie Grill. Here, different story, much better. As for Angela, she's the owner. Angela Woo, W-U. I think you pronounce it Woo. It's Woo Wednesday, so her name is Angela Woo, as far as I know. And you guys all have a great day. Come by and try it. They're closed on Tuesdays. Today is Wednesday. Come by any day other than Tuesday. Try the new sandwich, or you get the chicken strips I've shown you in other videos. I'll go back there and look in the Sesame Street. Now it's Sesame Street. Wow. I mean, I do need coffee. Sesame Grill playlist. The Sesame Grill playlist shows those big long strips. Much better than Cane's, and much better than Dave's Hot Chicken has one. A few other places on the strip has them. This is much, much better. Take care, everybody. Come by and see Angela eat the chicken. Or they also have a full menus of California Fusion. I put some, if you want to see the full menu, go back that way. And I'll post some more. I'll repost the playlist in the comments. That'll show all of the options they have. A lot of Asian food here. People that own it are Asian. With a name like Woo, you gotta be Asian, I bet. Unless it's W-O-O-O-O-O, maybe you're like a wrestler or something. But Angela Woo is in Arcadia, California. Delicious. I put the phone number on the shorter video, but you can look them up with Google or Bing or Yahoo or whatever you search, AOL search, whatever. What search do you use? But once again, time to eat. Take care, everybody.